Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to make the iPhone light flash when you get a notification on your iPhone or iPad. So whichever device you're on, you first want to head into your settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to come down and find accessibility and tap into that. Now within accessibility, you want to come down and find audio visual here and tap into that. Now within audio and visual, you want to come to the very bottom and you'll see LED flash for alerts. Currently set to off. So let's go into that. And the very first toggle here at the top, LED flash for alerts. You want to tap this on. And underneath, you have two options how you want it to work. Flash while unlocked. If you want it to flash while you've unlocked it, then you want this top one tapped on. A lot of people leave this tabbed off. And the second option is flash in silent mode. So if your phone's in silent mode, so for instance you're in a library or something like that, you can be told that you've got a notification by your phone flashing. So no sound, but the phone flashlight will flash, letting you know you've got a notification, which is ideal. So that's how to make your iPhone light flash when you get a notification on your iPhone or iPad. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.